Hey guys, DVSGames here. Welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I uploaded anything. Took a break from the game. Just couldn't find the motivation to play. But I'm back, and I figure we got 257 scrolls or so. Might as well get into them. See if we get anything. I did miss all the new monsters, and I missed the update. So I am working on getting my Frankensteins and my living armors up to 2A as the energy comes in. So little by little we'll get there. Here, as you can see, we've got 2 legendary scrolls, 8 light and dark scrolls. We got at least 10 of each of the elementals and 208 mystical scrolls. So we're going to start off with the mystical scrolls. I don't think I have any blessings, so unfortunately we're going to have to deal with what we get. We can't really choose and try to expand our collection. Starting off with these 8, we're looking primarily, we're really just looking for new toys, honestly. Let's be real, we're not looking to get anything game changing, just new monsters are always fun. Alright, let's get into our temples. We got no lightning in the first 8 and no lightning in the first temple. That's kind of bad. The rates seem not so great. Oh, what do we got here? Lots of fodder monsters. Finally we get our first lightning, and we get a death knight. Alright, back to back lightnings, that's great. And we get a Draco. It's alright, I think I got all of those built up that I want, but you can always build extra Orions. They're always good for something. Nothing there. And no lightning in 20. Okay, so it looks like our rates are really bad today. Feels like this should not have been something I should have done. Alright, next lightning. And we get a Wind Macaroon Guard. Now, not so sure if she's good or not. I think I already have the Cookie Run Kingdom version, but it is technically a new toy. Would have much rather it being the water one, but like I said, we can't complain about it. We got something new. Next lightning, and we're getting a Lupinus. Alright, skills for our second Astar or our second light one. Not bad. Granted, she has fusion, so kind of a waste, but still, I'm lazy and I don't want to make fusions all day, so we're okay with that. Next lightning, we get we get the Sue. Alright, I think I have them all skilled up. Back to backs, we got Phantom Thieves. I think mine are all skilled up, so that's great. We can use that for LD pieces and legendary pieces. It looks like our rates are kind of hit and miss. It seems like they're trying to pick up, and then all of a sudden they just drop off again. Well, there we go. Just as I say it, we get more lightning. Tyrone skill ups. I'm pretty sure mine are all maxed. And another star. Okay, cool. Like I said, we can definitely use more skill ups for her. Good with that. Starting off with lightning, and we get a Delphoid. Okay, so it does look like rates have significantly picked up now. Another Brownie Magician. And okay, never mind. Well, if they have it, it's alright. They can save it all for the LDs. We're fine with that, right? Kubezinov seems good. again, fusion monster, but skill ups are annoying to fuse, so definitely take them. And Liesel. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about Liesel lately. Apparently he's been buffed to very good status, or godlike status, I guess, depending on who's playing with him. And granted, there are better players out there than me, so they probably know better than I do. I probably should build one up so I can at least have it as an option in Siege, or maybe as an RTA option. Obviously, my rune quality is not as high as some of those other players that are in the, C3, G1 category. So I can't really compete against them, but if they're using it, maybe I should build it, right? I do believe that I have enough vampires to skill one up, just in case I decide to. And if not, again, you can always fuse those. Looks like we have dropped off on all of our lightning rates. Man, I just need to say it more often. That's what happens. We got a June. Alright. Okay. So there's all of our mysticals. We got a nat 5. We got quite a few nat 4s. We're good with that. Let's go ahead and take a look here. What else do we got to pull? We've got our fire scrolls. Let's go with those. And anything good out of this? Hey, we got Dryad skill ups. Double lightning. Alright. And we got Elisa. Alright, not horrible. Those are decent pulls. Double lightning out of 10. On the winds, we get no lightning out of the first 5. Let's go ahead and see if we get any luck with our 10 pull. And nothing. Okay. That's alright. Go into our water scrolls. We only got 10. We might as well pull them all at once. And we pull lightning. Another Tyrone. Okay. Alright. Not super horrible. Now actually, since we have the Manon here in the Engraved Skulls, we'll go ahead and pull these next. I really wanted to wait until I had more, but I mean, might as well since I'm pulling them all now. If luck's on our side, we'll get it. We already pulled the wind one. I mean, it's possible, right? RNG is a thing, but we also know that time gates exist, so granted, I probably waited too long to do it. And got an Antares. And another Cabecinov. So I think there goes our luck. No more lightning in this pool. Alright, well, we give it a shot. Sure. Let's go ahead and pull 10 of these here. Lucian number, like, 17, I think. Okay. Alright, not a super big deal. We're okay with that. Let's go ahead and get into our LDs. And see if we get anything out of these. Lightning on our first LD. Is it good? It is Dark Malacca. Now, honestly, he's not a bad one. I think I need skill ups for the one that I currently have, so I'll take it. Alright, pieces. Okay, nothing super exciting out of those. Let's try our regular scrolls now. Honestly, we're really looking for LD4s. Obviously, the LD5 would be the dream, but can't expect too much. Don't expect too much, or else you will be disappointed. Alright, last chance. Nothing in it. Alright. And 2 legendaries. Let's see what we get out of them. We start off with an Acasis. Fun monster. Useful back in the day, not so much anymore. And a Wind Lich. Alright. Well, that was kind of disappointing toward the end. But we did get the Macaroon Guard, the Wind one. I'm not exactly sure what she does, but we're going to find out. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Laters.